Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw dealer service requests for EV battery inspection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing dealer service requests for EV battery inspection, access the official dealer portal. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the service requests section. Locate the specific service request you wish to withdraw. Click on the request to open the details. Review the information to ensure it is the correct request. Find the withdraw option, usually located at the bottom of the request details. Click on the withdraw option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the confirmation message carefully. Confirm your decision by clicking yes or confirm. The system will process your withdrawal request. You should see a notification indicating the request has been successfully withdrawn. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section for troubleshooting tips. Record the withdrawal confirmation for your records. End the session by logging out of the dealer portal. This process ensures that unnecessary service requests are promptly removed. Now you are ready to manage dealer service requests effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.